Okay, this video is totally inspired from Mr. Tadashi, professor in mathematics, and who normally works for the twice for to understand the physics for all of the people. And this toy is also from Germany, and it's a wooden toy, and you can see. Now I'm going to tell you how it is basically the puppet, and how we can make it operate, and what are the different position for this toy. So first of all, I will give you a little introductory for this toy, and you can see this is there's the elasticity for this toy, and for this reason it is working on and making the movement. So as you can see, I am putting this button here, so it loosening the elasticity, and due to this dog is moving. You can see here. Now if you see, there is only one way to move this dog. You can see here is the one way for the dog to move, and it is almost symmetrical to move. This is like that. But the thing is, if you see, there is only one button, there is no any marking, nothing. If I will put if I will make it four, this make it in four quarters, 1 2 1 2 3 4. So I can make the all things individually, I can make them move individually. You can see and feel. Just I put only the front area, like this area, and the pressing, see what will happen. Only the head is moving, you can see like that. See, the head is moving. If I move the backward of this area, if I press this, only that area from the backward of that side, so it moves like the back legs only, not complete dog, just the back, its legs. But what if I put my two fingers here and two fingers here and make it 1 and 2, this area pressing, so it will like, you see, it is the dancing, almost like dancing. And you can see it is a very beautiful movement for this dog, like it's dancing. So again I will say this complete video is inspired from Mr. Tadashi Toyodo, and he's a professor in mathematics, and normally whenever I see his the video from first time, I saw he explained each and every physics things from the twice like that and like others. Thank you very much. Till now, see you till next video. Thank you.